What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing great and I hope you're enjoying the videos here on my channel. If you do, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified every time I post a new video and you don't miss anything. Today, in question and answer, we're coming back in a new video. Recently, I got questions from you guys. Somebody asked me, Waleed, if I'm lifting the hair, okay, and let's say as an example, I'm lifting the hair from like a level, let's say light brown. Okay, you see this here. I'm gonna zoom in and so you can tell. So I'm doing light brown and I lift the hair and I got this level. I can, let's say around like a level 8. We have kind of here like more level 8. Okay, we still have more orange a little bit, and the yellow is pretty dominant, not this pretty yellow. So, and the customers doesn't want this level, like want level 9, 10. And I want to do another lifting. I want to do another bleaching. Okay, I want to go higher. Can I lift the hair in the same day? Yes, if the hair can handle the situation. If the hair is still strong enough, this is you going to determine, not me. Because the hair, I cannot see every hair, every client is different. So first I have to check the hair if it can handle more lifting. If it does, then how we are going to reapply bleaching powder to the hair. How we are going to do it. We know closer to the roots, the scalp radiate heat. So when I do reapply again, if I put on the products from roots to end, because I'm doing, let's say, like full on blonde, roots to end, I want to do the same color, okay? We know when we are closer to the scalp, what's gonna happen is gonna lift faster than the rest of the hair. Why? Because the scalp radiate heat and we know heat is speed up the process. So when reapply, we're gonna stay like an inch from the scalp, okay? And then apply on the mid shaft of the hair and we leave another 1.5 inches. The end, we're gonna leave them out. To why? Because most of the time the end's gonna be very fragile and sometimes we can like tell like the rough, we can tell they have a breakage. So if we are going to do bleach again, we wanna keep those out too. Even if they still dark, later I will show you how, or I'm gonna tell you how you are going to lift them a little bit, like bump them up a little bit. So I'm going to demonstrate for you guys. So I didn't like this color and I want to go more like a level, another level or 2 up. Okay, this is depend on the consultation with the client if you want to go level 9 or 10. So I don't want this. I want to take a little bit rest of the orange left in the hair. I want to take it out. So I'm going to demonstrate with conditioner just to show you. So let's say I'm going to reapply bleach to the hair. First, we are going to stay, as I said, like an inch from the scalp, and we are, for sure I can go horizontal, but right now, just because I'm filming, I'm trying to keep my hands away from, not in the way of the lens so you can see. So we are going to apply, here we go, reapply, and this inch, as I said, out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tap this kind of motion just to show you where I start and when I stop the products. So here you go. Okay. So now I'm going to apply the bleach again on this part of the hair and wait a few minutes till bump up. And for sure we're gonna do the rest of the hair, the whole head, okay? After we finish, then we're going back and start reapply on the roots. Why? Because here it's gonna lift very quick. So it's gonna, the lifting, the process is gonna speed up twice or 3 times faster than the rest of the shaft of the hair. So here will match here in very short time. So after we apply to the roots, for sure we are watching to make sure everything's okay. Now all the hair, all the head is got to the tone we want, or got to the level we want. When we finish and we notice, let's say, the end of the hair still like I need a little bit bump, just a little bit. Here usually doesn't take 3-4 minutes, not even that. Okay, so we get some extra, you know, bleach. Here we go, and we reapply on those roots. But this is like the last thing. This is gonna take like 2-3 minutes, and believe me, it will be the blondest it can be. So this is how we reapply bleach to the hair without damaging, especially on the scalp area, because if it's over processed, the hair can fall off. We know that. So we start away from the scalp like an inch, the mid shaft of the hair. We reapply again. After we finish all the head, then we go back and start to the roots area, because the scalp radiate heat is gonna speed up the process, and here is gonna match the rest of the hair in a very short time. If the ends need a little bit bump, we reapply on the ends. Just we take the ends and we reapply, and we comb them, make sure all the products to goes to the whole hair evenly. And 2-3 minutes, it's gonna be really very blonde, those ends. Okay, so this is how you do it, and this is how you make sure you don't over process one area more than the other. Okay, so this is how you do it. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. And as I said, if you have any questions, just write me in the comment below so I can read them and make videos about them. So I wish you a great day, and I see you soon in a new video, new questions, and ciao for now.